We'll guide you through how to create an animation in Inkscape using the most up-to-date methods and UI features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. You'll want to start by creating your initial design. So go ahead and draw or import the graphics you want to animate. Once your design is ready, you need to save it as an SVG file, which is essential for retaining all the vector information. Next, head to the Layers menu and create separate layers for each element you wish to animate. This helps you manage different parts of your design independently. Now, open the Extensions menu and select the Animation option where you'll find the Create Frame by Frame animation tool. This feature is key to animating in Inkscape. Set the number of frames you want and specify the frame rate to control the speed of your animating. In Inkscape, set the number of frames you want and specify the frame rate to control the speed of your animation. Make sure to adjust the timing to suit the complexity of your animation. Then move each element slightly for every frame you've created to achieve motion. After you've set up the frames, you need to export them as a sequence of images. Go to File, select Export PNG Image, and choose the option to export by batch. This will save each frame as an individual PNG file. Finally, use a video editing software like Blender or OpenShot to compile these frames into a seamless animation. Import all the frames, set the frame rate, and export your final animation as a video file. This allows you to share or edit your animation further. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.